Hello guys. Hello guys.
How are we doing? Oh, I need to make myself good. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? How are you doing? We do have holidays today, so I don't know how big it's gonna be. Hopefully big enough. Does the link not work on the... Let me check. Oh, it should work, okay. I thought it didn't work. For a second. How are we doing, guys? Can you hear me? Wait. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Oh, you can hear me? Okay, that's good. Yes, perfect. Okay. Then we don't have any problems, hopefully. Hello, Brian. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, man? Welcome, True Blood. How you doing, buddy? Welcome, Nicholas, Olaf. Good morning. We have weekend. We have actually holidays today. I didn't even know until I woke up, like 30 minutes ago. So I wasn't expecting that. Hello, Charity. How you doing, buddy? This is actually the first. This is actually the first also, but I thought 32 would be slightly better. Hello, Andrew. Voice? What do you mean? What do you mean about the voice? Is it not working? I mean, I'm a little bit tired, so I might sound like a robot. I don't know. Hello, Zach. Zach in the house. How you doing, buddy? We do have bank holidays today. And also in Denmark, so hello, Helium. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, man? Sound like a trader, not a tired person. I appreciate it. You changed the screen color? No, does it look like it? Does it look like I changed the color? Does it look like I changed the colors, guys? I mean, I haven't really touched anything, so... Maybe it's more black, the background, instead of blue. I don't know if that's the thing you think about. which of the lines are we following? I mean, I think 32 is the most optimal. 32 has the highest potential in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna stick to that. So we have bank holidays today. And just also normal holidays. So, and I only saw it 30 minutes ago when I woke up. We might not have something crazy. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Hello Clown, how you doing buddy? Welcome buddy. We just need to hold 20 area and then push to 32 and then we can take a sell. It has been a pretty bullish basis session. So hopefully we can continue to the sell. Hello Felak, welcome William. What entry are you taking? I mean right now I'm looking at 32. Let's see if we can squeeze in short down. Nice. Oh yeah, let's see. But we're getting a small pullback. Let me actually open my MT5. We could take a pullback to longs maybe. We have some decent sells, buy zones opportunities we could take. I'm gonna trade a little bit more aggressive than I used to do because I need to make the videos now. So I'm gonna put my feet on the speed a little bit more. We do have a grab the bag at 18. So 18 looks decent. I would still prefer something else. It could be an easy early fucking London trade and then we're done for the day. That would be nice. Does it have runner potential? I don't really know. A little bit maybe. If we break out, if we break the previous high after 18, then it should be a decent run. Right now I'm just gonna monitor it. I also have, what's that key level? 16.84. So we have some decent buy areas. We can take long sets from Asia's rally. So I'm gonna monitor some buy zones, buy areas, and then the sell zone, of course. I was looking at 18. Yeah, 18 or 16.84 would be the two optimals, most optimal. I do actually believe 16 is slightly better because of the pullback is higher. I was excited my trade too earlier with the call 300 pips, nice bro. But exiting too early, that hurts sometimes, but sometimes it's also the right move. Just get out of your position and wait for it. That's why I tell you to close parcels, because if you close parcels you get at least the whole move, and then it just depends on how long the move is gonna run. What about CAT THB? What is CAT THB? It's like clockwork? I have no idea what it is. What it is, I'm sorry. It's not something I look at. But looks like we're getting a pullback, guys, so let's be ready to take longs at 16.84. Come on, gold. Give me that pullback. Need to open. doesn't really look like we're getting the pullback steep enough to get in, unfortunately. We're testing the high again. I overlooked something of analysis. That's what messed me up. I'm not mad though. Jeez. Yeah, that's nice, bro. But I mean, if you enter the trade, then it doesn't matter what you missed actually. Like, if you're already in, you just close parcels anyways. Like, it doesn't really change the outcome. Especially if you're already running in profit, you did something right. I mean, a setup, a strategy only like helps you with the next 1 or 2 candles to get in. Your strategy doesn't really predict the next 5 candles, if you know what I mean. Like, it's a strategy is only to give you a 1 or 2, 3 pips, candles of an edge to get in. You have no control of what's happening after, no matter what. So as long as you enter and you're in profit, it doesn't really matter about if you miss something in the analysis. Looks like we are breaking 25 again. Could be towards the sell zone. We do have bank holidays, so I don't know how much what's gonna happen today. I mean, volume in Asia was crazy, so with this volume we should be able to get some kind of money in the bank. So 32 is my sell, not 28. I mean, 10 to 8 could be an option, but I think 32 is better. It's actually not 32, so it's actually a bit lower. Oh, 32.2. Hello, Tuma. This channel keeps coming on my YouTube recommendations. Welcome back, bro. It's God sending you to me. It's God sending you, man. He's like, join this guy YouTube. Good morning, Gigan. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, man? Made 500 tonight, and what I bought Friday. That's cool, bro. That's insane. Nice profits, bro. Nice profits. Hello, George. How you doing, my friend? Let's see if we can get to 32. It is a little, how do I explain that? It's a tricky day today, because you don't know if we're gonna reverse Friday's downfall or we're just gonna have a pullback. Because this Asia session looks like we're gonna reverse Friday's move, and that means we're not only retracing at 32, that means we're going all the way up to 43. That's why I have a blue line at 43. So if we retrace Friday's move, we take a sell on the beginning of that move. Because Asia sessions open very strong, that could lead to reversals from Friday. So we gotta be a little bit cautious. Good morning, Louis. Hello, Louis. Hello, buddy. So let's wait and see. Right now 32 is going to be the sell. How you doing? I'm doing fine, man. I'm doing fine. Just woke up 30 minutes ago. Turn on the computer, ready to get a trade in, hopefully. That would be nice. Let me open now. I mean, 28 looks decent also. It's only because I'm afraid that we retrace Friday. Which we take entry? 32, I think. Oh, sorry, the chart looks short. I think 32 is the best one. Welcome, Critic. How you doing, man? pullback could also be taking at 16, so remember that, guys. So if we pull back away from the sell zone, we can still take the buy at 18 or 16. So we're really trying to squeeze in the zones as close at the current price to play aggressive. Oh, sorry. I also need to get some water. I didn't get anything, I just woke up. Do you think it will reach 28? I think so, yeah. I don't think this is going to be the daily high, 50, 25, so I think 28 is going to be tapped. Tap it out. Hopefully to the pip, we never know. But yeah. Also remember, guys, to subscribe today, because I'm gonna start making YouTube videos from today. And it's gonna be pure trading, no lifestyle, no edits, pure playbook setups and whatever we take. So be ready on the YouTube, it's gonna be pure education, free education. But we do have bank holiday today, so I hope we get into a trade. By the way, guys, can you hear if my mic sounds different than it used to do? Because I put in some settings to sound, so it made the noise, what's it called? The noise a little bit different. So if you can tell me if you can hear it different, that would be nice. Or if it's complete the same. Let me actually see if the settings is on. Oh, it is on too. Can you hear it different, guys? I can't hear you talking over the music. Is the music that loud? Wait a minute. Two seconds. When you say yes, was that a yes to the mic being a little different today? Looks like we're getting... we just need a pullback to 16, guys, and then we take a long. Music high? Okay. Let me turn the music down. Is this better, guys? Can you hear me better now? I think the mic is pretty crispy. When you say crispy, is that a good thing, or is it because it's like lagging? I think crispy is like it's good, right? Sounds good? Okay, perfect. As long as you can hear my sexy voice, yeah. Such a good boy. Oh. Come on, Goldie. Give me that fucking trade so I can make some money. Hey TB 500, I didn't even see you joined. I didn't see that, TB. Welcome, buddy. Welcome to the stream, man. What time frame? This is the 30 minutes. Platinum futures going wild tonight. That's great. That's crazy, man. Party. We just need a little higher gold. Just push a little higher, then we should be good. Guys. Remember to like the stream, guys. I will appreciate it a lot. Remember, we're doing a giveaway at 200 likes. So if you want to fund that account, you need to press the fucking like button. No time to sleep. Looks like we're getting a breakout now at 26, sorry. Let's see if it holds up. See if it holds up. Let's see. Come on, gold. Please follow. Please keep going up, baby. Be a good girl today. Almost there, guys. Almost there. We're getting closer and closer to the sell zone. We're getting closer and closer. Is it potential 100 pip runner? I mean, as I said earlier, today is a day where you reverse Friday's sell-off, or this is a pullback to continue this sell-off on Friday. So it's pretty much two options. And I think actually that we're gonna reverse Friday's move. That's why I have a sell at 43 in case that happens, because that's the beginning of the move from Friday's sell-off. So I do have a plan B if we're going to reverse Friday's sell, but I'm also anticipating the pullback to continue the sell-off. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's gonna pay off. At least we need to snipe the entry as good as possible. So if we are wrong in the direction, we're just gonna get break even, which means it's a free opportunity to get a trade, so without losing anything. And that's the good thing you can do about if you have zero drawdown on your trades. If you're wrong in the direction, you just get out on break even. So it's kind of a free opportunity to make money without risking it, but you have to be very precise with your entry. Hello, Madame Diana Kur. How you doing, buddy? Patel, he says 32. I don't know who Patel is. Is that someone from the chats? Volume kicking in now, guys, so be ready for my call. Let me check this one. Remember 32, guys, 32. So look at your computer, put 32 on the line, not sell limit, but just a line on it, so you can follow the price. $29.38 would be the. This is actually, I need to move this a little tiny up, like just 1 pip. Because on the 15 minutes you have a grab the back setup inside this. I think it's like this. Perfect. Can you screen make him big, please? What do you mean? You mean making the screen bigger? I don't think I can. I think this is how it is. I don't think you can make it much different. But no matter what, just wait for my call. I will tell you when I enter. I will tell you when I enter no matter what. So you don't even have to look at the chart. I will just say I'm shorting when I'm shorting. So and then the stop loss. So I'm on phone at least. The y-axis is cut off. You need to go in OBS and shift it slightly. Okay, I will do that after the stream. Yeah, after the stream. Right now we tap the first one. We tap the first line I had marked out, but I still don't believe that's the high, especially with this volume. I hope it's not. Then I'm gonna cry a little bit. You can see the price on the right side. Yeah, I will fix that after the stream. I thought you could. I was pretty sure you could. You can see it tapped the first one now. It tapped the first one now, but I still think this volume has to go high. I'll be surprised if this is the fucking high. The next 5-minute bar just opened, so that should push the price higher. So I think that it was just a small reaction for the next 5 minutes to push higher. It's a pretty strong engulfing candle, the previous one. Hopefully that's gonna go higher. I think it's not gonna dip yet. Yeah, same. That's why I'm waiting. That's why I'm pushing the zone a little higher. That's why I hate days like this, where you have a strong rally, and then the Asia session push the price all the way up to the previous resistance. I would rather have that London session is down here, so we can buy the low of the retracement, instead of trying to buy the pullback. That's fucking annoying. But yeah, let's just wait and see how it goes. Looks like the 5 minutes, it's fighting the top at 28.30. I still believe we're going higher, so there's no reason to get into shorts already. I will do my absolutely best to get a trade today, because I have to make a recap on YouTube, so... We're waiting for the same zone. Nice, Eddie. But I think you have to be careful, bro, because an Asia open like this often goes into a retracement from Friday's rally, which means we're going all the way up to at least 40, 43. So everybody who's shorting here will probably get fucked. That's why I'm being a little careful, because I've seen this move happen so many times. Asia session is like a call before it happens to like tell you, like, you have to don't short at this area. Like, that's the good thing about trading London. If you have Asia session, that gives you some kind of signal that shorting at this resistance is kind of not a good idea. And this is what Asia session did this today. Xness is filled already. How you filled on Xness? Like, what is the prices Xness have? They always have some weird ass prices. Gold isn't meant to be so volatile. I mean, bro, I trade gold every single day, and gold is very volatile. This is a normal Asia session, low key. Like, gold is always so volatile. Hello, Francis. Why are you pressing W, my friend? I mean, yeah, it tapped the first zone to the pip, but I still think we will push higher. So it's pretty, yeah. Let's just wait and see, guys. I'm pretty surprised that the first one actually respected. I think this was the first one if you go back on the stream. But with the 5-minute close also, like, you shouldn't fucking... Oh. I'm gonna anticipate to buy a pullback soon, guys. I still think longs looks good. I'm looking on my MT5, guys. If you are wondering why I'm not changing the trading view, it's because I'm looking at MT5. That's why I know the numbers is correct. Bro, I had a buy zone at 18 and I was accidentally thought it was my sell zone. I distracted myself. Oh my god, bro. That was a dumb mistake. Let's still wait for the longs, guys. Long position still looks good. Greg, are you fucking delusional? I put it on so people could see it. Everybody knows I didn't enter. You dumb fuck. No, we're trading at 25 now. Let's see if we can get to 18 or 16. I think 16 with this price action looks the best. Come on, gold, come to daddy. Looks like it's pulling to 60 now. No, Nishant, literally just follow the fucking stream, man. I'm not gonna fucking explain it to kids. Like, Jesus. Ask again. just one more time. I think the Nightbot will kick him out. I took the Saltman. Thanks for today. You're welcome, Julie. Can you tell us when to buy? I will tell you when to buy. We're also getting the pullback now. Hello, Marco. Marco. 5 at 16, I think it's gonna be 16.84. Let me check, 84. 16.84 is the key level. The first idea with 16 was to buy the pullback before the breakout towards the sell, but since we already had the sell, the TP could be a little different. Let me check 18. I mean, 18 also looks decent. It is a grab the bag setup. The only issue is that I think it's too early towards the longs. I don't know, because we have the 200 moving average on 16 tapping at the same time. That's a very nice extra confirmation in terms of order flow. So I think 16 is the best call in terms of pullbacks. And then the TP at least is going to be taking out the high on the 28. So just be ready, guys. Open your MC5s. If we get a pullback, we're going to enter very soon. Nishant, I literally told you I will tell you when I enter, dude. Oh, fuck it. What about stop loss? I will tell you the stop loss once I enter. I don't know what price I'm gonna get filled at. I would like to get 15. No, sorry, not 15. 13.5. Even though it's a like 3 pip larger than I usually do, I still think it's the best. It's the best decision to do. I got into sales at 25, nice AC. Even though I think that was too early, but I still think we can take out the high. I think this is just a small reaction, a small rejection to that candle wick. I still think we can push higher. That's why I didn't take the sell, because I still believe this is not the high. I would be very surprised if this is the daily high, like very surprised. I mean, everything can happen, but I would be surprised if that's the case. So that's why I'm looking for longs today. I actually think we're gonna retrace Friday's move. Is the sales one still valid? I will say 29 or 32. 39 or 32. Silver is gonna get rug pulled to hell today. What do you mean by rug pull? But nobody can rug pull silver or gold. No one has the ability to rug pull such a big market cap. Did we hit? No. I mean, this was the first sell zone, but I pushed it higher to 29. I'm just looking on how to monitor it if I was in. But we're looking at longs at 16.84. So once we hit 16.84, I think I'm gonna take a long, hopefully, and it's gonna work out. I can also see on the 1 hour that 16 is also the price that closed the gap, so there's a lot of good stuff correlating on 16. It's also the last bearish candle before the breakout, which means that's the support. So 16 was fucking good actually, on a lot of good factors. I should have held my position when I enter close since price keep routine. Yeah, but it's always like, don't think about what happens after. Like, if you did the right thing, it doesn't matter what happens after, because your probability should be bet on 100 trades if you follow the rules. Can you draw a buy at 16? I think 16 should be right here on this one. 16 is the blue line, guys. 16 is the blue line. It feels sad to see the sell zone fucking holding like that. Especially because the 5-minute closed so good to continue higher. What about 14 and 0.5? The reason is, if you want to buy a pullback, you cannot buy a pullback that almost is a breakout on the other side. You know what I mean? So if you want to buy a pullback, you want to buy a pullback where the long momentum is. If you would buy a pullback where sellers is coming in, it's kind of the opposite. Yeah. So when you buy pullbacks, it's where the momentum is, otherwise it's not really working out. On the stochastic RSI, price is oversold in the current area, so I went for sell. That's nice, bro. That's really nice. That's pretty cool. A Nightbot is spitting facts, guys. The Nightbot is spitting facts. Subscribe and press the bell notification. And like the stream though. This guy is spitting facts. That's crazy. Looks like we're heading towards 16 now, guys. 16. Oy, oy, oy. How long have you been trading? 6 years now, buddy. 6 years. Full time. WB Nightbot? Yeah. WB Nightbot. WB Nightbot. Why didn't you enter at 28? Because I thought it would go higher, that's why. That's actually pretty simple. If you don't take a sell at your sell zone, it's because you anticipate the price to go higher. Do you trade on margin? Yeah, I'll use leverage. I think everybody should use leverage if they day trading, or otherwise that would be stupid. Leverage is what gives you the opportunity to make money. I thought 28 looks like a good setup. It was a good setup, but I still thought the price would go higher and retrace Friday's move. So that's why I was like, I mean, I was only looking at 29, so I was literally looking at 2 pips above because of the 15-minute time frame. But I should have stick to the first one. So what is this Nightbot? It's just someone who is a bot that controls the chat. Nightbot. So yeah. Do you think it will go higher? I still believe it's gonna go higher. That's why I didn't take the sell, because I thought it would go higher. So that's also why I want to take a pullback to take longs, but we're not really squeezing down to 16 yet. And maybe 16 is too steep for the volume that's currently in. So let me push this back to where the other one was. I think it was. Let me go on the 15-minute time frame. Hey, someone got muted. Why did Hikai got? Why did you get muted? What did you take, brother? The Nightbot has my back, bro. The Nightbot has my back, bro. You cannot talk shit, man. I don't think you're muted for more than 5 seconds, so if you try again, you should be unmuted. I think it's because you spammed on caps with caps lock. I don't know why Nightbot doesn't like that. That's weird. Tested sun high. What do you mean by sun high? You mean just the high? Sunshine. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, Sunday. Ah, okay, I see. I see what you mean now. What's the best time frame? I mean, I use almost every time frame, so I don't have a specific. I'm open to use pretty much everything. Depends on the market structure. But I still think we are very bullish today, especially with the 4 hour. I do think we are pretty bullish. Bullish. So I just need that fucking pullback to take long positions. Remember to like the stream, guys. We're doing $100,000 funded account giveaway, so at 200 likes, so you better press the like button if you don't want to get fucked in the ass. Can we be best friends forever? Sure, man. No worries. No worries, man. We can do that if you want. No problem, my friend. No problem. No problemo. How old are you, by the way, Chris? Are you like 40, 50, 30, 20? If I remember correctly, you're like 37 or something, right? Maybe 40. I actually don't know, but I think I remember that you're older than me. 31 boss. Oh, that's not too bad. Still young and shining. Still young and shining. That's good. It's good to see, man. Good to see. We're trading at 26 again, trying to squeeze through the high to take a short. So we just need to push a little higher, and then we should be good to go. What is your preferred season to trade? I mean, session to trade. I mean, I trade all sessions, so some days it's London, some days it's NY, so sometimes it's Asian. It's not any specific. I don't have a specific one. I mean, London is pretty nice because if you catch the low or the high, you can often get the daily high or low, which will give you a pretty nice runner. Hello, what is that? Lafka? How you doing, buddy? The London session is good because of the potential runner. And remember, guys, to reload the stream so you don't have any delay on the stream. That's very important. Sometimes if you watch more than 30 minutes, you can have a little delay. So just reload the stream and you should have 0 delay. Hello, Virginia. How you doing, man? Good morning, Daniel PT. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. How you doing? How you doing, man? Gonna be 30 next year? Damn. I have 2 MS ping. That's pretty impressive. That is pretty impressive. I think we're gonna take out the highs soon, guys, so be ready for that. I think we're gonna rip off very soon. Still waiting for 29 or 32, but it's a fucking tricky day today, man. Those sells are fucking tricky. Longs looks very easy today to get in. Are you going to be doing Bitcoin weekends regularly? I think so. That would be fun. That would be fun to do some Bitcoins on the weekend. Also because the volume was fine. It wasn't that bad. So yeah, we can do that. That would be pretty fun. Come on, gold. Stop consolidating. How to use funded accounts? I mean, you just log in on whatever platform you choose, and then you just follow the routes and trade on it. You can also Google it. If you Google it, they might have some information. I love that 11% says no, I'm greedy. Oh man, you're so greedy, guys. What the fuck? Greedy ass humans. Hello, Jan Lewis. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend. Let me put this up here. Let me delete this. Missed everything? You missed everything, bro. Like, you're late to the party. You are late to the party. You're not late, bro. You're not late. We're looking at a pullback to 16 or sell at 32. You do this every day? Yes, Monday to Friday, my friends. Monday to Friday. You always catch sniper. What is the secret? Patience. That's why if you're wondering why I sometimes adjust the zones, it's not to run away, it's actually to get the best possible entry. And you have to adapt to the price to get the sniper entry. the same key level can be invalid if something happens before it. So you have to always adjust to get the perfect snipe entry. Perfect snipe entry. Are you ready? Welcome, Simon. Yeah, we have bank holiday today. Chris, what do you mean by command star? That means you can change something? I didn't hear you. The music was louder than the moment you spoke. Is the music still loud, guys? It's almost at 0. It's literally almost at 0. Bro, you're a genius. Thank you, man. I hope so. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Are you on sell limits? No sell limits. No sell limits. On my side, yeah, don't know why. Is someone else? Is the music loud? Like, can you hear my mic, or is the music like taking over? The music is fine from here. Oh, okay. It's fine. Weird. 32 is new sell zone. 32 has actually always been the main zone for today. The zone below was monitoring, and this is actually the potential. You sound good? Okay, perfect. Perfect. You want me to sing, guys? You want me to sing a little song for you? Chris, I can send you that on Telegram, and you can maybe help me if I remember correctly. You are very good with technology, right? I texted you on Telegram, shows me only one tick. What you mean? Can you text me again, because I didn't receive any messages? Sing Mr. Police. Oh, Police, what's the song? I forgot. That's like the... Policeman. I forgot the text, the lyric. What bank holiday are you talking about? Europe. Like Germany, Denmark, France, I think. I mean, different European countries. Hey, this policeman, I don't want no trouble. That was the text. Now I remember it. Let me actually put it on just for fun. Just give me a sec, guys. Hey, this policeman, I don't want no trouble.
Hey, Mr. Policeman, I don't want no trouble. I just wanna drop my jiggle down.
Okay, that was loud. That was very loud. My bad. I forgot that I put my own volume down, so you probably got ear-raped. Hey, this policeman, I don't want trouble. I don't want a ding-a-ling. Bye, bro. I mean, I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback. Buy high, bro. You always buy low, you buy and you sell high. That's how you make the most money, man. You don't make the most money from buying high. You always buy low, sell high. That's the absolutely maximal potential. Mama, mama, I just shot a man down. Oh yeah, that's the Rihanna song, yeah. That's a decent one. Hey, this policeman, I don't wanna trouble. I just want a dingling. Oh, come on, gold. Come on, gold. Gold, always want you to buy high. I mean, no, absolutely not. It's actually the complete opposite, man. You have to buy low and you have to buy high. And if you trade pullbacks, you wait for a pullback. I mean, if you trade breakouts, you wait for a pullback first. I want to make 100k trading this year. Only 150 to go. That means you have to make 100 back first. I mean 50 back first. Damn. That's unlucky, man. Hey, this policeman. I don't wanna trouble. I just wanna ding in. Come on, chat. Press the like button, guys, so we can put out some giveaways. I'm just joking. I don't think you're joking, bro. We all know. But remember, guys, the likes that matters on YouTube is not the likes where you can spam it. It has to be the like button. Because I can see people are spamming the small hearts on the right. So you have to spam the like button. Not spam it just once. And I appreciate it, by the way. Thank you. Come on, girl. We're just waiting for a goal to make a pullback so we can take some kind of long position. But right now it's not really moving. I don't want trouble. I just want a thing on it. I'm jealous to those people who wait for pullback because I don't have the patience to do it. Yeah, I mean, once you learn how to trade pullbacks, it makes breakout trading way more fun because your return starts to look way better because you get so many more pips. If you trade pullbacks, you can almost double or triple your breakout returns, and also minimize the risk of getting taken out on break even because the price tends to go back to the breakout point and then reverse. Emir's live, gold stops moving. Yeah, that's normal, bro. You know it. That's normal. 100 people watching. Let's get it to 100 likes. We're almost at 100 likes. We're at 83, guys. I appreciate it. I left and joined. It sounds better now. That's perfect, man. That's perfect. I think the music is too low now, right? I can push it a little higher. Like right here. Perfect. Pump it up. Pump it up. I didn't get any sleep tonight. Like, I am cooked in my brain. I got almost no sleep. I feel like I fell down from the moon or something today. I am feeling completely cooked. Nice, man. Hey, this man. Great pros? What is pros? I've never heard about that before. Pros? I don't know what that is, my friend. I'm sorry. Provis? Can you tell me what it is? Provis? I forgot the word. Nice. Come on, gold, please. Do me a favor and fucking move your ass. Are you going offline? No, I'm not going offline. I really want to get a trade. I really want to get a trade. So I'm gonna stay. Stay. Also, guys, remember to put up the quality. Remember to put up the quality. Quality on the live stream. High hopes. Oh, nice, bro. That's nice. Skill or expertise in a particular activity or field. Ah, okay. I appreciate, man. I appreciate it. What is that? Stasi Zero. I appreciate the nice words. I appreciate it, my friend. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, why is the Nightbot spamming again? Like fucking. It's so annoying that it's spamming so much. I need to fix the timeline so it doesn't spam. It's pretty annoying. By the way, where are you from, Stasi? And Daniel PT, where are you from, guys? On the planet. Looks like we're getting a pullback now, guys. Hopefully. UK? Oh, nice. UK. How long you trade per day? I mean, I sit here the whole day, man. I sit here the whole day, so I'm not moving anywhere, my friends. I'm not moving anywhere. I might go off the stream somewhere later, but I'm still gonna be trading till night, until it's night, and I go to the gym. What time frame are you on? This is the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Does that count as a double top? I mean, I will not call this a double top, to be honest. Double top is more practical in like all-time highs or like higher time frames without too much price action to the left. You're welcome. We just need price to move it size, and then we should be good. I don't know why it's consolidating so much. A little bit annoying. Do you have tutorial videos based on your strategy? Yes. And actually from today is the day I'm gonna start making daily videos on YouTube about the trading education that I use and approach to get zero drawdown. So that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be completely free also. Cool, man. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. There's gonna be a lot of work because I have to make a PDF and documents and stuff like that. But it's worth it, I guess. Nice. Come on, gold, please. Don't do your fucking consolidation now. At least get me in, man. At least get me filled first. The only issue is the more we consolidate, the worse the pullback is gonna be, because it's kind of signaling that the momentum is slowing down, and you want to buy a pullback when the momentum is high and volume is high. Otherwise, the pullback doesn't really have the same effects. And if we start to consolidate now, the pullback at 16 might not be as good as it should be. I appreciate it, Ajon. I appreciate it, man. But let's see, hopefully volume kicks in now. It's only one 30-minute bar we have been consolidating. That's normal. But I don't want too much of a consolidation. We could maybe just make the same kind of pattern as we did earlier in Asia before with the next breakout. That could be the same thing happening now. So taking sales would be a little risky right above the consolidation. But let's wait and see. Gosh, my back is inching. Come on, gold. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. We are almost at 100 likes. Almost at 100 likes. That's pretty crazy, guys. I appreciate it. We need more likes, guys. Can we hit 200? Let's go. TB 500s. That's what I like to hear. My yoga partner. My yoga partner in the house. We're getting that funded account today. I mean, we are at 94 likes. We still need 105 more now. Simon, if there's something that is more important and better than money, it's legacy. That's something you can buy, that's something you have to get and make. That's pretty much the reason. Come on, gold, like, please.
Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
I'm just trying to get down trading history books. I don't like books, so hopefully not a book. That would be fucking annoying. I hate to read, so I wouldn't even read it myself. Looks like we could get a pullback now if we break the low on 21. Almost 100 likes, guys. We're at 98 now. We just need 2 more likes. And then I will show my ass online. Just 2 more likes, guys. I appreciate it. 2 more likes. No, 3 more likes now. Someone removed the like button. Fuck. We need 3 now. Is 32 still valid? Yeah, that's still my approach if I have to take sales. right now the first zone actually is still respecting. Yeah. I just need gold to fucking move. It's not moving at all. Which is pretty annoying. By the way, guys, Vantage, they upgraded the deposit bonus. So instead of getting 50, instead of getting 50% deposit bonus, now it's 150. That's 100 on top of the 50. So if you deposit 1,000, you get 1,500 extra. That's fucking insane. The manager just told me, and I was like, what the fuck? How's that even possible? That's weird as shit. But it's only in certain countries in Europe, I think it was. But that's a lot of buying power you can get on a small account now. You pretty much get 150% more buying power. And if you have a small account, that can be pretty damn insane. Also dangerous, so do not over risk. Do you think gold will hit 4,000 this year? I have no idea. It's not really my approach to try to predict like what's gonna happen in the end of the year, but it could happen. It could also not happen. What broker? The Vantage. The Vantage. They upgraded the deposit bonus to 150, which is pretty nuts. 100 now. 100 now. Nice, man. Let's go. I appreciate it. I mean, the gold is just consolidating, so we're not really going anywhere right now. Vantage? Yes, Vantage. There's a link in the description to the platform. If you look at the bio. You got typo on stream. What did I text wrong? It's probably a typo, but... Hey Babin, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, 32 is the potential sell and 16 is a potential long after the pullback. Does that count anyway? I don't know actually, I need to check it after. Shashik, can you tell me what the typo is? Oh, come on, gold. I can't trade while tired. I don't know how you do it. You just woke up. I mean, I think that's the good thing about trading. Once you have done it for like so many years, intuition and muscle memory just becomes a thing. It's almost like 50, 60, if not 70% of my trading is literally just intuition now. I don't even have to do anything. I just do it automatically, which is very fucking nice. It kind of takes the stress away a little bit and the concentration, so I can kind of sit back and relax, and then because I just have the intuition and muscle memory, I can just go and do whatever I want on the chart and perform. That's fucking nice. It's very hard to get Vantage accounts in Australia. If you answer one question wrong, you have to wait 30 days. But I thought the Vantage account was from Australia. I thought it was Australia, an Australia broker. Pretty weird. They're just fucking their own country. Love your discipline. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, my friend. Oh no. if there's something I hate, like fucking a lot, is if I'm just scrolling on TikTok or something, and then I see people making their daily trading recap, and they're just using the fucking most cringe fucking words, and they're trying to say like a candle is named fucking STWYX, and if we break this W trim pagoodle, then we break to the fucking turtle soup, and then we eat fucking turtles and stuff like that. Like, it's so fucking dumb. It's so sad. I think you know what I mean. Like, they have all the cringe words and words and key levels for specific things instead of just saying what it is. They're trying to make it sound like it's a, I don't know, complicated thing. I fucking hate it. Especially ICT traders, they have so many different words for specific things. That is SMT, break above the SMT, pull back to the fair value gap, and then break the other fucking SMT, turtle soup and stuff. And EQ, all the stuff. I don't even know the words, but I fucking hate it. It literally shows that they know nothing about trading. People who talk like that have zero fucking knowledge about trading. They just know they're making zero money on it. All they do is talk like they know what they're doing. Do you use CRT? I don't even know what CRT is, bro. Like, I don't use all that. The best strategy in the world is your own strategy. I'm pretty sure if you knock the door down on Wall Street and you ask all the traders what they're trading, they will all trade differently, and they're all still making a lot of money. The best strategy is your own strategy. There's absolutely nothing that's better. I can guarantee you, all the best retail traders, they all trade differently. They might have some similarities, but in the end, they all trade differently. Candle range theory? No. I never watch it. All those fancy strategy names? Yeah, exactly, bro. Like, what the fuck? And it's people who try to fake it till they make it, so they think people think they're smart because they're saying a lot of fancy words. But in the end, if you're a trader and you know how trading works, you just know that guy is a fucking dumb idiot. Fair value gaps and order blocks trading is the most common. Yeah, and the most common thing is also that 99% of people lose. So if you follow what the 99 people do, you're also losing. So if you trade fair value gaps, I'm sorry to break it to you, but your underwear stink. And your bank account also stinks. Hello Sharon, how you doing, buddy? Hello Sharon, how you doing, buddy? Trend is king. I only trade trends and break. I mean, yeah, that's at least it's better than fucking ICT shit. But I still think the whole trend can be a little dangerous. In terms of like getting like a precise entry point. I mean, if you're a swing trader, trend is very nice. But I will say as a scalper or intraday, it's, I don't really know. Is the EL running it? No, it's still on break. Also because Elon Musk and Trump is now fucking talking shit to each other, so right now nothing is gonna be up and running. Everything is just gonna be having a break. I'm actually pretty excited to see what's gonna happen with Elon and Trump after all the discussions. Are you a scalper? I mean, I'm an intraday My stop loss is scalping, my take profits is swing trading, then you can think about that for a minute. And pretty much what I mean by that is just I minimize my losses and I maximize my winners. Need a hand? I mean, you can text me on Telegram and you can see if you can do some magic. By the way, welcome eBay to the stream. I appreciate that you're watching. Right now we're waiting for gold to actually move. It's not doing anything. So come on, gold, please. Did I miss anything? I'm late today, bro. You missed 1,000 pips, man. That sleep you got was 1,000 pip sleep. You better have the best sleep on your life. Interested to see your trades? eBay, if you join the Telegram, it's completely free to join. You can see all the screenshots. So, so you can just join the Telegram and then you can leave after you saw the messages. I feel like the UK session is like a diesel engine. It takes time to warm up. That's true. That is true. Is fundamentals attached to your strategy? No, absolutely not. I couldn't care less about fundamentals. I only use fundamentals to know if I have to stay out in terms of like spikes and high volatility. Otherwise, I don't really fucking give a damn about fundamentals. You also have to understand all the best, not all the best, but probably all the best high frequency trading bots that is coded, they have zero fundamentals inside. It's all math and technical. There's absolutely no fundamentals turned into those machines. And if they can make money every day, you should kind of try to do the same approach as a retail trader. Come on, gold, please. This is just a typical consolidation that gold gives all the time. All the time when I go labor. Come on, gold. 90 more likes to go, guys. Then we can do this. How many likes we at now? 110? 108. So we're getting close. We're getting closer. But I mean, gold is consolidating, so right now it's dying out a little bit. I'm also starting to lose my fucking focus a little bit because it's not moving. But I know once it starts moving again, my focus will be back up and running. What time frame? This is the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. But I just fucking want to trade, man. Like, get me filled, please. Just get me in, man. Get me in. Wait, much more. Get me in. Let me open my. I have something I need to eat quick. Let me grab it. Just I'm back with some tuna. Tuna. Nice. I hope this tuna is gonna taste like tuna. Some proteins. You think you're going to trade today? I mean, I'm gonna stay on the live stream to hopefully get a trade, but as if gold consolidates, it's not really. It's really hard to get in. But it's also bank holidays, but it shouldn't make a difference. Hello, you remember me? I was here on day 1 on live stream and was mod on TikTok. Hey, what's up, Harry? I remember you, man. I remember you. What's up, man? Welcome back, bro. How are you doing, bro? What made you... What happened to you, man? Your wife got mad and you slept outside, or what happened? Welcome back, man. Harry. Harry Potter is back. What happens to you, Harry? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, bro? Can you hear me, bro? No, I believe my funded and had to get a job. Unfortunately, I got fired today. Damn. You got fired, bro? What happened? I need a story now. The whole chat is following, bro. We will listen to you. What did you have a beef about? We can beat him up, man. We're gonna beat him up. We're gonna go on his Trustpilot and give him bad reviews. I'm joking, don't do that, but... Tell us, bro. Or if it's too private, you can just text me on Telegram. Or you don't even have to say it at all if you don't want to. My boss had no brain and had a stupid way of doing things, and he told me, if you don't like it, leave. What job was it? What kind of job was it? Was it like a supermarket? Or like a truck driver? Taxi driver? Office worker? What kind of work was it? I miss your stream so much, I appreciate it, man. Thank you for having me back. I appreciate you watching. What kind of job was it? Ah, okay. That's cool. Pretty fun you got you both got in an argument and then... That's true, Harry. As long as it pays the bills, it's worth to some extent. But nice to have you back. Harry, it has actually been pretty slow. I haven't really managed to get filled on a trade that I want to take on the live stream lately. The price always fucking even close inside the zone, or it's high volume or something stupid. But I mean, it's worth the wait because all the runners we get from waiting is worth it. So hopefully today's gonna be a runner. But let's see. I appreciate it, Harry. I appreciate it. Are you waiting for sell? I actually prefer the buy more, but I guess we will have to wait and see what the price gives us as opportunity. But no matter what, if we get a trade or not, I'm still gonna be making a recap, I think. Even though there's no trade recap, I still explain the thought process behind it in the video. But even though you don't get a trade, you still get the candle and structure printed in your mind. So trading is also just being on the chart. I'm holding a buy that has TP above your zone. I wish luck for both of us. Nice, bro. I wish you luck. Let the best man win. Let the best guy win. And if I enter on 32, you have 1% odds to win because I only had one loss on the live stream last year. So with only one loss, your probability doesn't look good. So let's see. Background sounds a bit high now. Background. Wait, what do you mean by background? The phone or the food or? Music? I don't know what he means. Simon, what do you mean by background? Are you talking about the music? Ah, the music. I thought the music was fine. Switch, bitch. Come on, gold. But as I said earlier, the more we consolidate, the less probability 16 have, which is annoying. Because when you trade pullbacks, you want momentum to be high. Right now we consolidate, which means 16, which is a pullback, might not be the most optimal. Do you think 10k funded is worth it? I mean, I would say 25. 25 is fine if you trade it a little bit aggressive. I mean, 25 you will still make more than a normal job if you trade consistently. So, can you help me understand support and resistance? I will go on YouTube, Jarif, and just search support and resistance. Pretty basic stuff. I don't want to be talking about support and resistance. I'm sorry, my friend. How do I get a funded account? I'm from South Africa. I actually don't know. Maybe you can steal it? I don't know. I don't know what preference you have. Just realized I'm mod. Yeah, bro, of course you're mod. You used to be here every single day, man. Every single day you showed up. And then you just went off. I was like, okay, he's dead. Or his wife kicked him out, I don't know. Come on, Gold, move your fat ass. What's up, Elias? What do you mean by what's I? What does that mean? What's I? I hope I get the giveaway. I mean, it's gonna be random, but I hope for you too also if you need it. If you need it, I hope you win. It's just gonna be a, what is it called, like a random name calculator stuff. I forgot to do it. No news today. We have bank holiday, so it's not the kind of news we want. But the volume still looks fine. I mean, yes, we consolidate now, but Asia was pretty nice and London was also decent until now. By the way, guys, remember you cannot use your fake accounts to like the stream. I can see if you're using the fake accounts and then it will not work. EU bank holiday? Yeah. Euro bank holidays. But as I said, if you use the fake accounts to like the stream, it's not gonna be accepted. I wish I had one world country visa than today's TP. Wait, what do you mean? I wish I had one world country visa than today's world. What do you mean by today's TP? I know what you mean by first country, but why you combine TPs at the same time? I don't know. Could be my lucky day. Yeah, maybe. But I mean, we need to reach 200, and I don't think we're gonna reach it. Well, let's see. Mamacita. Mamacita. We will get 200 easily. It's actually been pretty hard. We haven't reached it yet. It's actually been pretty hard to do. I don't know why, but for some reason we can't reach it. And also, do not use fake accounts to do it, because I saw some people do it and then I'm not gonna do it. It has to be on your only main account. Will it get to 16? I hope. But we have been consolidating a lot above it, so how it's gonna work out, I don't know. Where do you leave? Do you mean live or leave the trade? I live in Denmark, so sadly, the most disgusting country. But besides that, that's fine. What's the word? I forgot the fucking what is the word. No. Why did I forget the word? No, Harry, just no. I forgot the word, but just no. I'm finding a different place. I don't want to be combined with all the other Dubai people. It's become so bad that I don't want to be a part of those guys. Denmark, welcome to Vegas and chill and enjoy. I mean, I have always wanted to come to Las Vegas just for fun. How do you tax your grid? Do you mean trade? The Nightbot banned Elias. Why? What did you text Elias? Let me check. Spamming emotes. Okay, I need to fix the Nightbot. It's just fucking everybody up. Nightbot, you gotta chill, bro. You gotta chill. You have beef with everyone, man. If you come to visit, I know you will love it. I think it's gonna be nice and fun. Still looking at 16. It's still worth to look at. We just have to do it with more cautions because of the consolidation. So it's not really a pullback anymore. Now it's just buying low against the price type sheet. So let's wait and see. On Friday, I took a nice trade from 80 to 09 on demo account. I wanted to say let's go, man, but on a demo, I mean, it's still nice that you got it. Just sad you didn't get any profit out of it. Elias, I think you're unbanned again. Oh, we should have kept the first sell, so man, that would have been running fucking how many pips? Only 63, that's nothing. No, man. Take it back. What's wrong with Denmark? Pretty much everything. But besides that, it's okay. If you live in Denmark, you pay for everybody else and you don't get anything to yourself. That's pretty much how it works. So if you like to give all your money away and not keep anything to yourself, I mean, you can live in Denmark. You will love it. And at the same time, while you give all your money away, people will still complain that you're rich, because if you're rich in Denmark, you will be hated on. So, I mean, it's a good combination, right? A lot of idiots, the same place, while the government doesn't understand anything. Bit like the UK then? Yeah, I know some people from the UK, they say the same shit. I'm like, Europe is a falling fucking piece of shit place. I'm never gonna live in this fucking shit anymore. Once I move out, I will never come back. They hate the rich, but they also want the rich to pay for everything. Like, how does that even make sense? At least be happy for the people who pay you shit instead of also complaining about people being rich. The Swedish model. Oh. People are just delusional. Literally delusional. And I don't feel bad for people being broke anymore after all the shit I've seen. It's their own fault. If you live in Denmark and you don't have any money, it's your own fault. And I don't feel bad for you. Especially when you want to tax the rich, but at the same time you talk shit, like, that doesn't make sense. I paid damn near half of what I make in taxes. Yeah, I mean, when I would, let's say I make $100. When I get $100, I need to pay 25 in something called mums. I think it's called VAT in the other countries, but 25%, and then after I need to pay 55. So that's, I get $20, around $20, $23 on all $100 bills I get. So every time I make $100, I get $20 to myself. I mean, if you ask me, that's literally slavery. That's a modern way of doing slavery. Literally. I would even say it's worse than fucking slavery. Probably not, but I would say it's the same as slavery. If you get $20 out of 100, that's slavery, in my opinion. It's actually robbery. It's robbery in daylight. Robbery in daylight. So it'd be like 25, yeah, around that. 25 is not too off. So if you wonder why I want to move, now you know. And then and the most stupidest thing is that people will be like, but you get free healthcare. I'm like, free? Where the fuck does the free come from? I pay all my fucking money away every single month. That's the most expensive fucking subscription to a hospital. Like, it's like saying that you can watch movies for free on Netflix, even though you pay every single month. That's the logic. You get free healthcare, but you pay a subscription every single month. Like, I'm fucking dog. Holy shit. Oh. That's like, when people say it's free, I want to almost kill them on the spot. If I have a pistol, I'll just straight up shoot them. Low key. In game, of course. We're getting a pullback now, guys. Looks like we should have kept the first sell zone at 28, so that would have been the top. But yeah. What is the zone made from? Grab the bag? Let me check. I don't think it's grab the bag. I think it's just previous. On the 1 hour it closed the gap and it's on the top wick before the breakout candle. On the 15 minutes, yes, it's grab the bag. Oh, someone got muted again. What? There must be other places in Europe with lower taxes. There is other countries in Europe with lower taxes, but almost every country in Europe is a piece of shit country. Because they all follow the same kind of principles to some extent. There will be few countries that is good, but it's almost all the countries now that's just underwater. No tax for me. Where do you live, Chris? I thought you were from UK. Are you in the mafia? If you're in the mafia, it makes more sense. Jersey? Ah, okay. But does Jersey have zero tax? What now? Selling or buying? I'm looking to buy it around 16.66. Jersey, Channel Island, UK Channel. Tax free? Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. We should all move to Jersey. Yeah, we're gonna build a big house in Jersey, the trading house. Also called tax heaven. Yeah, I love tax heaven, man. Sign me up. If tax heaven exists, man, I want to go to heaven right now. Send me to heaven. It's like Cayman Islands, yeah, pretty cool. Do you trade day trade full time as a career? Yes, sir. Shrek. I do, my friend. I do. 15% tax in South Africa. I mean, 15 is fine. If I live in a country and the tax was 15, that would be fine. Or fucking 75. I mean, get me out, man. Absolutely disgusting. But 15 it's alright. It also depends on what you get from the 15. I mean, I wouldn't mind paying fucking 75 if I could live like a fucking king from those money. And I could get good hospitals, I could get good, like, shit, but everything in Denmark is trash, so... I was thinking of Cyprus. Yeah, Cyprus is a very good place. You can... I actually think you can get down to 0 tax in Cyprus. If you do it the correct way, you can get down to 0. I actually know a guy who lives in Cyprus. Cyprus. Okay guys, we're getting a pullback now, so let's focus a little bit. Let's focus. We're still doing the challenge, so the stop loss is going to be, for those who don't know the challenge is to check if a bad risk to reward is actually profitable. That's pretty much the challenge. So the stop loss is going to be very high. We don't usually do it, but because of the challenge, we do it to check if you can actually make money with a bad risk to reward, and then a high win rate. And if we take just one loss, we're just gonna stop the challenge and go back to normal. But if you're wondering why the stop loss is so high, it's because of the challenge. But enough of that. Just be ready, guys. We're getting towards 16 now, so be ready, guys. We're having a long position soon, hopefully. So if you're going to copy this trade, because the stop loss is so high, lower your risk like a lot, because the stop loss is going to be juice. And we might also add to the position if we go in drawdown. We haven't been in drawdown yet, but if it happens, I might add to the position. So just use very low lot size. And then, yeah. And the only if you're thinking why I want to check if you can make money from a bad risk reward, it's to make trading less stressful. Because if you have a high stop loss, you don't have to be so precise. So if I can make money with this, I don't think I can, but just for fun, if it could happen, you can actually make money in a less stressful way. So even though you make less, you don't have the same stress with, I think it's great, but we will see how it goes. Just be ready, guys, for 16.6. Hello Falak, how you doing, buddy? Thank you for watching. And remember, guys, if you follow it, use low lot size, please, and low risk. The stop loss is high because of the challenge, but I don't want to repeat myself. You know what to do now. We could also get a 0 drawdown like we used to do. If we don't, it will be the first time, and it can happen every single trade. So so what do you think is going to test that support level and bounce up? I think it's going to tap 16 and hopefully get a bounce of at least 20 pips so we can move to break even, and then we're just going to ride the wave. We could also get into drawdown. We never know. Just have to adapt. I'm gonna lower the lot size just by 1 tick. Perfect. What is high in your measurement? I mean, normally my stop loss is 25 pips. So that's my normal stop loss. But in this challenge, it's gonna be maybe 180. 70 pips, 100 pips, depends. That's why I tell you to go low risk, because I want to do the challenge. Is it 16 you're talking with large stop loss? Yeah, it is, because we're still doing the challenge. If it goes to 0.6, it will keep going down. It could happen, yeah. Or 0.6. Oh, I thought you said 16. I have 240 SAR I'm able to trade. Nice, bro. I wish you luck. That's true, Chris. That is true. Bounce on 50 EMA on 5 minutes. Yeah, also on the 15 minutes it bounced off on the 20 EMA. So sorry, moving average. That's why I think if we break below, that could be a fake out below the indicator. But come on, gold, please don't retrace now. Please don't retrace. We were so fucking close. Please, gold. Please don't do this to me. Please. Fucking close. It looks bad with the box. I'm gonna delete the box. I'm only gonna have the line on it. You think we missed it? I hope not. We just need how many pips? We just need fucking 30 pips, man. Come on, gold. Let me put the box on, even though it looks bad. Come on, go, please don't fucking retrace like this. Oh, fuck you, gold, please. Why are you doing me dirty, man? Oh. Oh, please, get me in, get me fucking in on the trade, man. Come on, get me in. The close on this candle was so good and perfect. I thought we would continue down, and then we just fucking reversed the candle, man. Oh, I might jump out the window, low-key. And the worst thing is, if we close the gap on the way down, the probability that 16 is gonna respect is even lower. That's the issue. If we come up and make a top wick on this one and break the low, the 16, I don't think 16 is gonna hold. Cry, no one will hear you. That's true. But this is fucking annoying. That's some bullshit, man. Gold is running away, guys. Welcome, Saint Estro. Is it stream? Is it stream or stream? What do you mean by is it stream or stream, bro? How does that make sense? Is it stream or stream? I think it's stream, bro. I'm not sure, but it might be stream. It might be stream. Gold, pull back please. Pull back to 16, we take a long on the pullback and then we will ride the wave to the top. But it literally traced the whole move on the 30-minute close. That's pretty annoying. We were so close to getting those. We were so fucking close. That is very unfortunate. And as I said earlier, if we get a pullback now, the probability goes down a lot because of the top wick, which indicates very good sellers. Also because I have to make my first YouTube video today, so I really want to get filled so I can talk about the trades. Oh, this is some fucking bullshit. It's 11 o'clock now and fucking gold. Oh, come on, man. This shit ain't going back. I mean, I'm just praying. I'm just fucking praying that gold will get me a trade. I want to do the trading recap, but I can't do the recap without the trades. I mean, I can, but we don't. I will not have any results after because we didn't get filled. Then I will only be able to talk about the process. But I want to get filled. Remember to subscribe and press the bell notification, guys. I would appreciate it. It's also important you press the bell notification so you get a notification when I go live and when I post a YouTube video. I would appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I will shut up. Sorry. Music too high? Let me turn it down. Doom, 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 doom. Sorry. And also remember, you can join the free Telegram, guys. It's free to join. You don't have to pay a penny. How many pips would the first sell zone have been? 80 pips? That would have been juice. That would have been juice. I think the buy zone at 16 is still gonna be riskier now, but I still think it's worth taking. I still think it's worth taking. We just have to be cautious. So the buy zone is still valid right now as it looks, but we just have to hope that it's gonna continue like that. But this could also be the pullback to break the high and continue to retrace Friday's sell-off. So If we break the high now, I think we're gonna retrace Friday's sell off. So just have to wait and see. I'm tired. Sorry, I need to stand up a little bit. Who let the dog out? Oh, 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 oh! Who let the dog out? I think gold is fucking us up now. We were so close to the buy zone, but yet so far away. Oh. How long the stream lasts for? I don't know. I've been live for 2 hours now, so I don't know how much longer. I really want to get the buy before I end the live stream. Also, what pissed me off is that this was my first sell zone, and that was the top of this move, and I moved it up because I thought the momentum would go higher, and then it fucking respected it to the pip. So the first sell zone should have been the trade for today, and then we would have been done for the day, but I don't know why I was delusional. I mean, I still think I did the right thing. I will always move it with that price action. Yeah. You prefer swinging open swings versus closing swings? I mean, I know Red Bull gives wings, but I don't know what wings you're talking about. I don't prefer any of it. I don't look at open or close. It's all just swing trading, bro. You have no fucking idea what's going on. I'm sorry to break it to you. You had absolutely no clue what's going on. I said I don't prefer any of it. I don't care about open or close. When I say done for the day, I mean the live stream. I'm still gonna be trading the rest of the day. How many likes we have? Let me check. $38. But I don't think we're gonna reach 200, so save the like for tomorrow. Save the like for tomorrow. We're not gonna hit it today. I've been live for 2 hours and 18 minutes, and if we don't get filled, I might just trade on Telegram instead of YouTube. Have faith, we will hit it. Yeah. I mean, I know it's fucking annoying to wait, but I know 100% that it's worth waiting at. It has always been. It was the same on TikTok. On TikTok, when I have 2,000 people watching and people couldn't wait, and I still waited, and all the trades were absolutely bangers. Banger after banger after runner. So I know it's worth to wait, even though people might get a little mad that they have to wait. I know it's worth it. I mean, Jelom and Harry, you have been watching. I think you are the two guys who probably have been watching since like the longest, right? I think you're one of the OG guys. And I know that you have seen all the trades that I have taken and how many big runners after big run after big run. Even though we waited weeks sometimes. So you can kind of approve my, what is it called? Explanation. Only good trades. We don't have any. I only had one loss on the live stream last year. Only one fucking loss. And I had banger after banger after banger win streak. Patience really does pay? Yeah, exactly, it does. Looks like we're getting a pullback now, but this is exactly what I talked about, making the top wick on this one to break the low, and that's gonna fuck the 16 up. I appreciate it, Harry and Jillum. It's also fucking nice you're still watching. It's pretty nice. I know there's some other people also, maybe Zach have been watching for a whole year now. I have some people who have been watching for a very long time. Even though I took some breaks, you're still watching, and I appreciate it. You ran away just to come out of the way. Yeah. I came back after a small break, which is good. That break kind of gave me the energy to make daily videos now after the recap. Also because trading can be exhausted. Trading every single day for so many hours that I do can be like your brain kind of get exhausted a little bit. So taking a step back would actually refill the energy. I've seen you for 2 years. I know the songs are the wait worth people. Yeah, I appreciate it. That debated. You're actually one of the first one. I think actually you watched me all the way back when I was talking Danish, right? Like that was like the beginning of the whole thing, right? I actually remember I spoke Danish the first like 2 streams or something. That's like way back. That's actually insane. You have been watching since, bro. That's a big W. So Jellum and Harry and Debate is a big W. Let me actually make you mod. I actually don't know why you're not a mod, man. You've been watching for so many years. I will make you a mod, bro. I trust you.
Momondo præsenterer Hvor er du fra med mig,
Why
Rasmus
do we have ads
Brohave,
on
som
YouTube now?
vært.
Fuck. The video is OG, yeah. He's way back to when I had like 30 views. But the thing is, I literally went from 10 views to like 1,000 in 1 month because of my trades. Were so special. Like my TikTok blew up like crazy in like 1 month. I had 1,000 people watching because I only had winners and they were all big. That was pretty fucking insane. Harry, you are not Harry. Debater, you are mod now. You are mod now. Oh, guys, we have to focus on the chart now. We have to focus on the chart. It made the top wick to break the low, which I didn't want to happen, and that's exactly what happened. So that was pretty unfortunate. Hello, Hans Christian. How you doing, buddy? Thank you for watching, my friend. I mean, this sell is very high risk, guys, like extremely high risk. Because of that top wick before the break of the low. Like this trade is, I would normally not take it, but because we're doing the challenge, I'm kind of up for it. So it's gonna be no risk, no rally risk today. So if you don't like high risk, do not take this trade. This is a high probability to be a loss. Like very high, but it is what it is. Wait, I didn't get filled. Hello, buddy. How is that not a fill? The fuck? It touches the fucking line. Can you see this? How is that not a fill? Okay, I'm waiting for... Ah, fuck, I need to find a sheet. Oh my god. I didn't get filled on the tap. How the fuck is that not a fill? Okay, let me see if I can... Now we need a fucking pullback on the 1 minute. How is that not a fill? And it's running fucking 30 pips now. Oh my god. That was literally 1 pip off. Are you fucking kidding me? That was literally... I mean, on my chart, it actually touched my fucking limit that I placed in the last second, but I still placed it before the price hit, and then I don't get filled. I'm not filled, guys. I'm not in. I didn't get it. It tapped my key level, but it didn't tap my order. Any reason on Telegram get only 1 tick? Can you text me on Instagram instead? Can you text me on Instagram instead? I don't know why it doesn't. I don't know what you mean by Telegram, Marco. Just text me on Instagram, please. No reason Ravi, that's my Instagram. I mean, it tapped the zone to the pip on my MT5. It's actually like this. It's actually right here on MT5. It tapped the blue line to the pip, but my order didn't get filled. You can see here. Let me show you again. It's just sitting. I think it's because the close, I mean the opening on the next bar opened below the previous, like it had a micro gap. I don't know if that fucking not got me filled or something, I don't know. Oh my god, that's a fucking headache times 10. Absolutely fucking delete. Oh. It's running 16 pips, so if you somehow got filled, just move to break even now. Just move your stop loss to break even. If this is the daily low, I'm low-key not gonna be alive tomorrow. It's running. Fuck man, it's just, oh my god. And that was my daily recap for the YouTube video today that I just missed by fucking 1 pip. There must be a hidden fucking prank on me. I think this is a prank, guys. I'm literally getting pranked right now. By gold. It's running 25 pips, oh my god. Oh. I can't believe 1 pip did this to me. I can't believe I should not have placed a limit order. I don't know why I fucking placed the limit order instead of just buying it market execution. It's because when you place limit orders right before the price hits, you get a better entry. But this time I shouldn't have done it. I should have placed the fucking normal market execution instead of trying to snipe the fucking entry like a dumbass. This is how the trade looks, guys, on the 5 minutes. I mean, it tapped to the pip. It was such a perfect entry. Such a perfect entry. So if you got in, you should have got 0 drawdown. It was an absolutely perfect entry. But yeah. And this is a 3-bar pullback, so this could be a very good runner, guys. If you're in, do not close your positions. This could be a runner for you. So don't close your position. Just it could be taking out a break even, but I think it's worth holding to see if this is the low. I think it's a trade that's worth to get out of break even without taking profits to then get a maximum runner. Do not take parcels, guys. Just it's either going to be break even or it's going to be a runner. This is a trade that's worth to hold as many lot sizes as possible. So don't close parcels, guys. Just hold as much size you can. Even though it can hit break even and you get 0, it's still worth it in this case. And if we get tapped out on break even, I'm going to be looking for a second entry right below, guys. So if you didn't get filled like I did, I have a different zone below it that we're gonna take, okay? So don't worry. So if we get tapped out on break even on the first one, I'm gonna look for the second one, okay? Do not close any parcels, guys. Keep the whole position running. It's running 30 pips now, 40 pips I think, to the pip. Wait, can you even see the chart on the screen? Sorry guys, I completely forgot about the moving the... Sorry. I forgot to fix the screen for you. It's running 40 pips to the pip. You still consider a valid sell zone? No. I would say that was why I was looking for buys. This is exactly why I was looking for buys. So yeah. Holy fuck, it's running beautifully. 40 pips only, that's not good. 40 pips is not a lot. But hopefully it's gonna be bigger for you. I mean, good trade, huge, nice bro. I mean, see, it was worth the wait. That I don't get filled by 1 pip is a different story. I mean, it's just me being dumb to place a buy limit instead of market execution. But the whole idea of waiting for that setup was absolutely perfect. I should just place the buy limit, buy order instead of fucking buy limit. Because I was delusional. But yeah. If anyone got the trade, can you send me a screenshot? I want to see how you got filled when you place market execution. I think this is going to be a runner. I'm pretty sure. That's why I said do not close parcels. I think this has very good runner potential. This one has very good runner potential, so don't close parcels. I will keep the parcels till 23 at least. So the first parcels you take is 23. So at 23 you close 25% of your account, what is it called, position. Buy or sell? The buy zone just got tapped like 5 or 10 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago. How many pips would be the first? The first profit target would be 60 pips, but only close 25%. Do not close the whole position. Only close a small portion of the position, okay? Only close a small portion. Wait, I have another. Ooh, I might actually get filled, guys. Let me check my other account. I placed it on 2 accounts. No fucking way. I didn't get filled on the other one as well. There's no way. I didn't get filled on my other account as well. It touched to the pip as well on that account. There's no fucking way I'm not getting filled on both of them. Oh, I misspelled it. Okay, how many is in, by the way? How many did actually get filled? I missed by spread, exactly. I think the spread didn't get me filled also. That is why it's pissing me off. Hello Enzo Slinger, how you doing, buddy? How you doing, my friend? Should I hold? Yeah, hold to 23 at least. At least 23. I took manually. Yeah, that was also the best decision to do. That was also the best decision, but take the first parcels at 23 and then just hold it. This has a very good runner potential, so do not close your position. If we get a pullback to 18, I might take 18 to add to the position, even though I didn't get filled in the first one. So that means I'm not adding, but I'm just taking a pullback on 18.98. 89, sorry. I'm in, but bad entry, got in at 17. I was eating. Oh man. I mean, at least you're in the trade, right? At least you got filled, bro. I should not have placed the buy limit. It was so fucking dumb. I really wanted to snipe the entry. I saw the reason I placed the buy limit is because I saw the 5-minute close without a bottom wick, which often means the next candle is gonna go at least a little further down. So I thought with the buy limits, I would get the best possible entry. But then the next 5-minute candle just ripped off without a bottom wick, and I was like, fucking hell, man, get me in, man. I think the bid and ask was too, spread was too high. So yeah, that was unfortunately, but I mean, now you saw the whole idea about taking this approach worked. Possible anchor setup on the 5 minutes? I would say it is possible though. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. If it does, we can take it. Ravi, do you pass funded accounts? It depends on how much you're gonna pay. I mean, I can pretty much do it in 2 trades, 3 trades maybe. Possible was that we almost no time for market execution as well. Yeah, it happens so quickly. That's also one of the things that is good about limit orders, is that if the price moves quick, your limit order will get filled at that price, where if you do market execution, if you're just 2 seconds late to press the buy button, you get a worse entry. But yeah, it tapped to the pip, so the whole trade idea worked. And I mean, that's also very important, that it actually worked as it should. You should take the first parcels now, guys, very soon. But I mean, I'm still gonna do the... I think I'm still gonna do the daily recap, even though I didn't get filled, because you want to see the... I think you still want to see the way I... what is it called? Created the kilo. Welcome, Ray Bayo. How you doing, buddy? Harry, I don't think a 25 or 10k is worth to pay for. Like for you, I mean, I will get paid no matter what, but I don't think it's worth for you to pay someone else to pass 10 or 25k, because the profit split is so low, so your profit margin is not that high. It's worth if it's a 50, 100, 200k, because when you get a payout, your profit margin is higher. Is Greg still here? The guy who talked shit? Greg, are you still here? You and your fucking swing trade type shit, whatever you talked about. Makes sense? Yeah. So it's not worth 25 or 10k. This is gonna be a good runner, I think. This is gonna be a very good runner. Yeah, and he also knows that he can't really talk shit when he sees the zones like this. Respect to the pip. It was literally a 0 drawdown, perfectly executed trade. It was a very, very beautiful trade. How many pips is it running? Only 57. 57 is not a lot. We need at least 60. Remember, guys, when the price tapped the blue line at 23, you take a small parcel of your position, okay? Like 25% or 20% of your running position you close, and you keep the rest open, because this trade has very good runner potential. It can still get tapped out on break even, but I think it has a very good potential to be a good runner. It's a very good pullback from Asia's rally to continue higher, to retrace Friday's sell-off. So imagine, guys, if I didn't move the first sell zone. This was the first sell zone I had today. Imagine if I didn't move the sell zone, I would have caught the top and the bottom to the pip. Like, imagine how crazy that is. If I didn't move this zone right here, I would have got the top and the bottom to the pip. I mean, that would have been fucking crazy. But my delusional brain wanted to use a limit orders. I don't know why. But that would have been pretty cool to get both directions. But who cares, right? Oh. Now I forgot where I placed the buy zone, the sell zone earlier. It was right here. Perfect. It would have been pretty nice to get the top and the bottom. This is what we have to deal with traders. As a trader, yeah. Sometimes shit like this happens. You actually predict both directions, but you somehow don't get filled. Sell zone still valid? I mean, I don't know. Right now I don't know, to be honest. Because I think the buy zone was so good that it could break the sell zone and just continue higher. And I might also have to go soon, guys. I might have to go soon. Because I need to start making the YouTube video today before it becomes too late. When is the 2.0 playbook is out? Not. It's gonna take some time to build. It's gonna be a very nice book. So it takes some time. Quality, you know, quality takes time. So, and also because I do it all by myself, I'm a one guy who does it all, because I like to do stuff my own. So it's gonna be like I want. I'm using Eloise, Viv, and ICT. It work if you tag good favor gaps. I don't know what you said, bro, but I saw the ICT in your message, and I'm sorry to tell you, bro, but if you trade ICT, you have to leave the chat. Otherwise, I'm gonna perma-ban you. I do not allow ICT traders in here. I only allow traders. No, Elliot Viv. I don't know what Elliot Viv is, bro. I have no idea. Then ICT to confirm, bro. Fuck ICT, man. Like, please. ICT is the most... ICT is one of the reasons why day trading repetition has gone down the drain. Like, ICT is a part of the reason that none of us can proudly say that we are traders without it being cringe. When people ask me what I do for a living, I literally just say I work for home. I don't even say that I'm a trader, because people have destroyed the repetition. Day trading used to be the most beautiful thing in the world in terms of repetition and the prestige it was. Now it's a fucking kindergarten. But yeah, that's how it is. People always fucking destroy things for others. We just have to live with it. Almost the first TP hit, guys, at 23. You take the first parcels, you keep the rest running, so do not close all. Do not close your whole position, just close a small partial. You only trade gold? Yes, sorry my friend. Only gold every single day, Monday to Friday. Gold till I die, you know? Gold till I die. So, and I'm probably gonna die later today because I missed this trade by 1 pip. Welcome, Soma Mama. Welcome, buddy. The brick will broke that high. Oh, mama. If we get close to the goal, will you do the giveaway? No, it has to be 200 straight up. It has to be directly on 200. Gold is retracing now. It might not hit the first TP level, but as I said earlier, I think it's worth to hold your position. We might have a grab the back, an anchor setup on the 5 minutes. So I might anticipate a buy at 19.59 or 18.89. So be ready, guys. This is only for the people who's inside the other trade. If you're not in the first trade, do not enter this one. Otherwise, your profit margin, not profit margin, you don't have a buffer to use on this one. So the people who entered on the first one, just be ready for a potential ad. Getting close. Let me check. Where's the key level here? I mean, if you didn't enter the first one, you can still enter this one, but it might be too risky. I think selling will continue according to my setup. I mean, it could happen, but I'm currently biased, so currently biased. I'm currently long bias. I couldn't speak. Sorry. I'm buying on the pullback, guys. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Come on, gold. Just a fucking 2 pip more, man. Stop fucking with me. Just 2 more pips. Please. Please get me in. And this pullback is this pullback I'm anticipating to buy now is from frustration. So it's not the most, it's not a professional approach, but I don't want to miss this one. So I'm gonna take it. So we're still 2 pips above the anchor setup. It's not the most beautiful, but it's worth trying, I think. Come on, please. It's literally consolidating 1 pip above. I mean, 18.87 is also very good. 19 and 18 looks very good both. I don't think we're gonna get it, guys. I don't think we're gonna get the pullback. Please. You bastard, get me in. What is your POV on Bitcoin? I mean, I traded Bitcoin yesterday. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. I can't remember the position I had. I can go back and check later. I think it was it a short or long? The people who watched yesterday, if you can remember, just tell me. I think it was a long. I'm not sure. I will have to check. But I mean, long Bitcoin is always good. You just have to diamond hold it. We're getting a pullback now, guys. Come on, we just need a few more pips. Please. Please, 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 please. We might not get it. I don't think we're gonna get it. Oh, Jesus, gold. Gold really pissed me off. It was a short on BTC? Oh, okay, then it was a short. I took 0.05 from entry. Nice, bro. Perfect. I'm anticipating a long very soon to add to the other one. Even though I didn't get filled. It's just consolidating and now it's ripping off. I don't think I'm gonna get filled on the pullback. Looks like the pullback is ripping off now. Fucking Christ. I was looking at this level right here. It's running 2 pips above. It's not really getting me filled. I wanted to add at 19 and I also wanted to add at 18. But it's just, yeah. Maybe not today. I think gold just wants to piss me off. This trade is a mess. What do you mean by it's a mess, bro? It's a zero drawdown trade, bro. It literally tapped the buy zone. Ran 50, 60 pips. How is that a mess, bro? It's cleaner trade than you will ever get. The pullback is not a mess, bro. I wouldn't take a trade that's not worth. What is the chances of this giving 200 pips? I mean, I don't have the probability number calculation in my head, but I think it's pretty good. That's why I wanted to break it 23. If it breaks 23, I think it has a very good potential to rip up. But I wanted to buy the pullback at 19.57, but it's consolidating right above. So I think 18.89 looks better now for that retracement. Just take your profit and enter a sell trade. I mean, I don't think that's how trading works, but okay. Gold, I command you to pull back. Don't tell gold what to do, man, then it's not gonna do it. You're gonna piss it off. Can someone send me a screenshot if you got filled at a good price on the previous one? I would love to see you guys. Please send me a screenshot in the chat, in the VIP chat. Please send me screenshots, my family. Oh, I want to see your filled price. Oh, we're making a pullback now. Be ready, guys. When I say I'm going long, you can decide to copy or not. It's up to you. Just wait for my call. I might not enter, I might do enter. It depends on the price action on the smaller time frames. So just wait my call, guys. Hey bro, where are you from? I'm from Denmark. Denmark. Can you send me 50 euros? If you send me a feed pic, we have a deal. But yeah. It tapped the first one, 1957, but I want to push it further down to 18. I wanted to push it to 18 instead. Just be ready for my call. I will tell you when I enter, guys. I will tell you, I will scream it in your ears. You will not be wondering if I'm in or not. I will scream it. And we're getting close. We're getting close. Just be ready, my friends. It might happen quickly, so if you're late, do not enter after. I think the rejection could happen quickly. And I will move my break even quick. The volume looks very good. Just a little more gold, come on, just a little more. Just a little more. Be ready, guys. Be ready. Come on, Goldie. Gold is coming. Gold is coming, guys. Please, get me in. It's coming now. At 1890, sorry, 1889. 1889. 1889. The stop loss should just be, I don't know, 17.58, I think. That would be a tight stop loss. You can, let me check the low. The low is 19 pips. You can also just place it below the low of the sell zone. Not the sell zone, sorry, the entry of the sell zone. Thanks for the guru for Gouda. White man, on Friday I fucking made 10,000 on downtrend. Is that a BTC? You traded BTC or what you traded? Sent me $50, $50 my Bo Samuel. I don't know what that means. Mamacita. The volume is pretty high right now. Like it's pretty strong volume. The 5 minutes was pretty long. Not the 5 minutes, sorry, the 15. I think if you want to enter on the pullback, it has to be now. But it could just rip down and take the low from the entry on the buy zone. So it's a very high risk pullback. It's a very high risk pullback to take. Like very high. You gotta have some big balls to do it. Why is the Nightbot spamming in the chat? It's pretty annoying. Sorry for the spam, guys. I don't know why the Nightbot is going rampage. I have 4% left on my phone. I need to charge my phone. I lost my balls with the previous pullback trade. What do you mean by you lost your balls? Did gold fuck you up? Gold is a bitch sometimes, yeah. Gold can be Can be a bitch. But I think we're gonna take. I think the buy zone is gonna hit the break even. I think the buy zone is gonna hit break even. That's also why you should only enter if you were in the other trades. If you wanted to get a pullback. I think this might take me out on PE, yeah. But as I said earlier, an entry like this is worth for me to hit break even and then keep as much size on as possible. Sometimes you can see that this might not be a runner and then you take size off quickly to secure profit. And sometimes if you think you catch a very nice entry, you keep as much size on so you get as much out of the pips on a runner as possible, if you know what I mean. So but it's a risk to take, but I mean, as long as you're break even, that's the good thing about that. When I catch zero drawdown on all my trades, I can pretty much decide if I want to hold it or not without actually putting risk on my... The only risk I take is getting less profits, but I can't lose anything because my entry is on the bottom of the move. So the only risk is just getting less profits. So that allows me to sometimes being a little bit more aggressive in holding as much size as possible. But yeah. This might be a head and shoulder on the 5 minutes. Could be. I can see the pullback is now at 19, so it's nothing special. Nothing special now yet. We could see some consolidation. This is also like, what the fuck is this, guys? Is this a grill? Like, what is these lines? I think I'm also gonna move my pullback to break even now, my stop loss to break even. I don't think it's worth holding above this area anyways. So it was not the best entry on the pullback. It's running in profit though, but yeah, not enough. I'm moving that shit to break even. It might be taking out, I don't care. It's only running 7 pips in profit. So it's gonna be a break even, I guess. Barcode scanned. It's 99. Wait, what do you mean by barcode? Are we talking about profits? Testing patient levels of trading gold, yeah. Did you enter? I mean, I took the pullback, but it was so high risk that I just closed it. I mean, I didn't close it. It's running in profit, but I just moved to break even very aggressively. So I'm 99% sure I'm gonna be taking out a break even. Yeah, so. It was just to kind of chase the buy zone pullback, but yeah, that was no really, it was nothing special. I tell you when I enter a good setup, I wouldn't tell you to enter a emotional trade, so that's why I didn't say anything. Trading view, it hit my grab the bag on 50 minutes. Good reaction. Nice, that's nice, man. That's nice. That is perfect. Sorry. Boom, boom, boom. That's envelope strategy. What is an envelope strategy? Envelope. Envelope. Why did I move my break even? Like, oh. Did you enter, brother? I took the pullback. That was it. But it was nothing special. It was literally the most useless trade. I just wanted to check if it would with respect. It was so like it's nothing. But what? Yeah, I don't know. The worst thing is that it's actually going up from the no man. Oh, the pullback would I should have moved my break even on the pullback. That was dumb. Also because I knew I would be tapped out on it. I'm here for the music. That's good. The worst trade could end up being the best trade of the day. That's true. That's true. That is true. But I also need to go now, guys, because I need to make the YouTube video. And it's already 12 o'clock. I don't know if I want to stay. I just want to take another long position, but it's just dumb. There's no really reason to do it. Besides, I just don't want to miss the move. So it's not good behavior. Give me a second. Say guys, I'm chatting quickly. I have a buy area at 14. At 14 that could work out, but I have just been live for so many hours now that staying longer would kind of destroy the YouTube video. Love you, baby. What's up? What's up, Ben? What's up, Ben? Ben and Jerry. I can see it tap the buy zone again. So I think I'm gonna go now, guys. I need to make the YouTube video. I can see it bounce off from it again, but I'm not gonna enter. And that's a double bottom, but nonetheless, I will make the YouTube video, guys. So later today, I will post the YouTube video and I will send you the link so you can watch it, so you know how I came up with this zone and the sell zone. The first sell zone I had was actually the top of this move, and then the buy zone is the bottom, but I'll just in the YouTube video explain how I got it. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, guys. See you on the YouTube video and in the Telegram group. See you guys, love you all. See you, friends.